Today is October 4, 2022, and I am Tony the Bull back with another technical analysis update for NewsBTC. Bitcoin price is back over $20,000, and you can finally feel the sentiment starting to change. The change is happening all across the rest of finance, and not just crypto, which is the focal point of this video. To start, comparing the S&P 500 against Bitcoin shows that Bitcoin tends to top out prior to the stock market. Importantly, BTC and the SPX have been more tightly correlated than in the past. This is notable because along with Bitcoin, U.S. stock indices have turned sharply up. Both asset classes are down considerably from all-time highs, so this is nothing yet to celebrate about. In yet another macro comparison with WTI crude oil, we can see that oil tends to trail crypto and stocks slightly. Oil tends to fall even more sharply than crypto during corrections, but are fewer and further in between. Oil prices are also turning sharply up at the same time as Bitcoin and the stock market. Comparing gold against the top cryptocurrency by market cap, we can see that the bullish impulse that began in 2019 in gold kept running far beyond what Bitcoin was capable of. Despite this was the birth of the digital gold narrative as trade tensions between the US and China increased under the Trump administration. With currencies beginning to fall apart across the globe, gold is also suddenly rebounding alongside stocks, oil, Bitcoin, and other assets. If the value of all assets priced in USD are suddenly surging all at once, it probably has more to do with the strength of the dollar side of each trading pair. As the global reserve currency, all other assets are quoted in the dollar as a standard measure. Turning on the DXY dollar currency index shows us exactly why this is happening all of a sudden. The dollar is retreating after its most overextended rally in years. Other currencies have been plummeting against the USD side of the trade, but central bankers have stepped in to save their currencies, and it has possibly prompted a reversal in the dollar. The United Nations has also stepped in, asking the Fed to help calm the volatility in markets and bring relief to the rest of the world. Turning on all of these assets at once shows a loose correlation between each asset class, but relative weakness in all of them as the DXY is rising. With the DXY finally pulling back and falling so sharply, anything on the non-USD side of trading pairs immediately responded. But moving back to Bitcoin, the top cryptocurrency versus the dollar does have great importance. Bull market peaks in Bitcoin coincide with the DXY beginning to rise. The recent downtrend in Bitcoin was brought about by one of the most vertical uptrends in DXY history. The uptrend was similar in strength and length as the movement in the dollar that caused the 2014 and 2015 bear market in Bitcoin. After another failed attempt at new highs, the DXY was rejected. The two events led to what is possibly the greatest cryptocurrency uptrend in history and was what made Bitcoin a household name. What happens this time, and is it all starting right now? That's it for today's analysis. I'm Tony the Bull Spilotro signing off. Self-education is the best investment you can make. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and check out newsbtc.com.